Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So, I've been thinking about this for a while, and I've also, I got this idea from one of my Patreon members. So big shout out to Flair. He's the reason why I'm doing this right now. I will be buying a ledger to hold my crypto, but not only that, I will be buying the 3 combo ledger. I'm gonna be using one for myself. I'm gonna be using the second one for my daughter. To slowly kind of add crypto on that one and just have that one hold for an extremely long time. So hopefully in 18 years that is worth something nice. Obviously she gets everything of mine, right? But that one's specifically for her as a little extra, and the third one I will actually be giving away. After 1 year of doing this. Well, not even a year, right? My YouTube started this year in February. So it's been pretty insane that just in 1 year or less than 1 year, I managed to have, almost 10,000 subscribers, which is insane to me. The fact that I have more than one person subscribe to me is ridiculous, right? It's still weird to this day. Like, it's still weird to process. And the fact that you guys are all here just, listening to what I have to say, even if it's dumb or if it's right or if it's wrong. It's still crazy to me. So, when we hit 10K subs, I will be doing 2 giveaways. One, I will be giving away a ledger so that you can all, get in the habit of protecting your crypto and, being able to actually, keep it in a safe place, right? Where it doesn't live on an exchange. It doesn't live anywhere online where you can get hacked or all that good stuff. I will be giving away one ledger when we hit 10K subs. And I actually wanted to give a stock away, right? I don't know how to do that apart from just sending you guys like money and stuff, right? But I don't want to do that. I will be also, when we hit 10K subs, apart from the ledger Nano that I'll be giving away to you guys, I will be also giving you guys of choice. I'm still trying to decide if I should give one person a couple $100 of a crypto of their choice, or if I should give, like 5 people $100 worth of crypto. Any crypto you guys want, I'll just send it to you guys, right? As long as it's on Coinbase. If it's on Coinbase, then great. But I think I might do, the 100. I'll do the 100 per 5 people. I think it sounds like a better idea instead of giving, one person $500, because the ledger is like I think the ledger alone should probably match the price of the giveaway. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I think when I hit 10K subs, I will be giving away one ledger so that you guys can all, really like protect yourselves and stuff. And then I will be giving, I think, 5 people $100 worth of crypto of their choice, whatever you guys want. I'll give that away. But that is just, I just want to say thank you to all of you. I hope all of you guys had an extremely happy Christmas time. You guys all spent time with your family, and you guys made a lot of really good memories, because life gets crazy sometimes, man. And I know that we're all here trying to make money. We're trying to trade. We're trying to better our lives. And while that's all extremely great and fantastic, and it's a lot easier when people that have more than you say things like that, right? So I know sometimes it's very difficult to just say, hey, just enjoy the moment, blah, blah, blah. But, if you're trying to make your life better, I think everybody just tries to take every second of their time to try to make their life better. But, it really, you guys should really enjoy your time, man. Hang out with your family, not trading or not looking at the market or not looking at charts. It's not going to hurt you for a couple of days, right? There's opportunity every single day. My job here is to help you guys find that opportunity. So with that being said, have a great weekend, everybody. I will more than likely not be posting anything today. I will be going to Disneyland with my daughter and my wife. So I will more than likely be out all day today. If crypto decides to do something crazy, please let me know. Send me, comment on YouTube and stuff or everything. But have a great day, guys. Hope everybody's having an extremely Merry Christmas with all of their family and an extremely enjoyable weekend. So with that being said, bye-bye, everybody. Have a great day. Giveaway 1 Ledger Nano at 10K, and I will be giving 5 people $100 of crypto of their choice. I would prefer stocks, but I don't know how to give away stocks. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.